Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roslyn. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this TikTok viral low-cut hairstyle.
Angels we have heard on high.
Alright, so you all know in every crochet hairstyle, there's a foundation to it, right? And that's pretty much what I'm doing, just doing the basic cornrow. Okay, nothing too fancy about it. And that's all you need to get started with this hairstyle. So stay tuned and let's do this together. And again, this is my first time, okay? I just wanted to shock myself a little, okay? Sometimes it's always good to try something new, and this is one of those things that I can say, wow, I did something, okay? Again, I tried, y'all, I tried, but let's see how it comes.
Sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Okay, so while we're still on this, I hope you all had a merry and bright Christmas. Well, I just wanted to, ask how everyone is doing today. I hope we're doing well and in the spirit of holiday, that we all are enjoying and spending time with our families, which is very important and the important part of this whole season. But anyways, thank you again for being here and continue to enjoy our video. And we ask and please always join us weekly for our new videos. And again, if you find our videos interesting and you get something out of it, please share the video to your loved ones, friends, and family. We appreciate that. That's the only way the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, will remember us. So help us out, and we appreciate you being here at Talksbar throughout the year with us. Thank you again, and God bless you. Continue to enjoy. Alright, so I'm done with the cornrow, just crocheting the last hair, okay, so I don't get to cut my hair during the process. Next is for me to oil my scalp, which is very important to protect it while I wear the hair. Next is for us to begin with the crochet. So I'm gonna cut this into two, okay? But when you have the longer one, you cut it into six so we don't waste it. Now pass the crochet needle through your hair or your braids, your cornrow, and then attach the hair to the hook, close the latch and pass it through, and then secure it. That's pretty much it. Any cornrow, any crochet hairstyle, okay? Pass the hook to your cornrow, alright? Through your cornrow, attach the hair that you're using, close the latch, and then pass it through on the other side, then secure it. As simple as that. The way I'm crocheting the hair, I'm doing it close by and not, not too close, but a little closer, okay? So that, again, we're going to mimic, that wood cut, okay? Hairstyle, right? So you don't want to see so many, gaps in your hair, okay? When you cut the hair. So that's pretty much what I am doing or how I am going about this, okay? So this is what I said, cut it into six. It's gonna be little, but hey, you gotta make it work, okay? Because again, you don't want to cut it into four and waste the hair, alright? And doing this at least, yeah, if you get it from Amazon, most of them come 3-in-1. So that 3-in-1 pack should be enough to get this hairstyle done. Alright? So stay tuned and enjoy. Let's see how we did this, okay? So we've come to the end of the crochet, okay? So we've done the crochet. I'm gonna crochet in one or two places, but this is it. Okay. Oh my God. It took some time, y'all. Okay. But again, in any hairstyle that you find yourself doing, just have patience. Okay. Especially when it's your first time. Just have patience. Keep trying it. Okay. You'll be fine with it. Okay. So this is how I did it. The front section. Okay. I just spread it out. Okay. To cover the front. There was no glue used. Okay. I tied the front section down. Okay. But again, the rest was done off the camera because you can imagine you sneaking out in the middle of the night when others are sleeping to do this content and your baby boy, your toddler woke up at night. Oh God, I need your attention. So hey, I gotta do what I gotta do as a mom, okay? But anyways, this is me crying, cutting my hair. You can imagine when you decide to cut your natural hair, what happens. But anyway, I had fun doing this, okay? So I hope you do so, enjoying. I hope you have fun, okay, watching this video. And again, if you decide to try it, I hope you have fun as well. But hey, I was amazed at the result that I tried. At least, I mean, I tried, okay? So I'm giving it to myself. I tried. I mean, it is what it is. But again, thank you all for watching and let's see the final result. All right, so this is it. This is my final look. Okay, the viral TikTok low cut crochet hair. All right, this is it for me. I am proud of myself, and I mean, who else wouldn't? I mean, you can do something you haven't done before. So, thank you all again for having stick with me this far. Thank you for having watched all my videos this year. I want to say thank you and God bless you. And until next time, stay fabulous. And please turn on your notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and like this video for new videos weekly. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.